Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how I got a job in IT company without any experience back in India or in our year. So in this video I'm going to explain how did I apply for the jobs and how did I crack the interview and how did I survive in the company. So to be frank, I studied UG in India, and after completing UG I came to Canada within 3 months. So I don't have any experience in India. So after coming here, I came to Canada on August 2023. I studied masters in electrical and computer engineering at the University of Windsor. So I completed the masters in December 2024. So this is my background here. So now let's get into the video. Like, how did I apply for the jobs? Okay. So December 2024, I completed my masters. Okay. So I applied for the work permit on February 2025. That's like Feb 2 exact date. So February 2, I applied for the work permit. So because it took a lot of time to for the university to give the transcript. So when I applied for the work permit, I was in the implied status. Okay. So what I did was I was applying for the IT jobs because I want to go into an IT company. But meanwhile, my background is also from electrical. So I worked in an electrical company as an electrical assembler. That's my as a role. So I worked from February to uh, July, like that for around 6 months. So my shift timing was around 3 o'clock in the evening and to midnight 11:30, and if I do overtime, it will be till 1:30 a.m. So it's 1 hour travel from my house. So I'll start at 2 p.m. in the afternoon and come back to home at 3 a.m. It's around like 12 hours will be spent to entirely in the company. But how did I apply for the job? Meanwhile, like while working in the electric companies, what the usual trick I follow is apply 100 jobs every day. To be sure, just note everyone, apply 100 jobs every day. Okay, so like 50 jobs in LinkedIn, 50 jobs in Indeed. That's what I did. Okay. Uh, so what I did was like there is a specific time. There is no specific time to apply or something. There is no specific day. So what's my goal is like just apply 100 jobs. And this sounds crazy. It's really this sounds crazy. Sometimes I apply even for a 10 years role. Yeah, it may sound crazy, but this is what I did. Sometimes I apply for even 10 years experience, 20 years experience. I never mind. I just apply. That's it. I just want to apply in an IT company. That's it. Just keep on. Don't even bother about the experience. Right? I just even apply. Okay. This is not like will work out, but for me, I need to apply 100 jobs. That's my goal. Okay. Then I was applying every day. Every single day, I was applying 100 jobs. That's the thing. And there is one more trick to do. There is a copilot called Job Copilot. I will attach this in the description. Using that link, we can apply. We can just pay 9 CAD to 12 CAD like per week. We can upload the resume. It will automatically modify the resume, make a cover letter, and it will automatically apply to all the jobs that you are looking for. It will automatically apply. Yeah, that sounds crazy, but that's the truth. There is a co-pilot called Job Copilot. It will automatically apply for jobs. Per day, it will apply for 51 jobs. Yeah, per day it will apply for 51 jobs. It was like tremendous app I never used. I suggest everyone to use it because it is a very nice app. We will get the entry for sure. And some website it cannot automatically apply. So what it will the app will do that website it will automatically keep it aside for you, so you can go manually and apply for it. Okay, this is the copilot. So till July I was applying for IT jobs. I was meanwhile I was getting some interviews. Some interviews were very tough for me. Some interviews I tried to crack, but there will be some budget issues in the company, so they won't hire me. Yeah. So on July 12, I think that's my company called Capco. They scheduled me an interview. Okay. So usually what the interview does, the mostly happens is the how to crack an interview. Mean first we can connect with someone who works in the company in the same role. We can ask like what will happen in the interview. to be frank, just directly message them the link. What will happen in the interview? As I got this interview schedule in this and this date. So most people will guide like how to prepare for the interview, everything. That's one thing. Then there are a lot of YouTube videos like what this company looks for, like what this company will look for to in the interview to get, you can just they suggest a lot of ideas and tips that the company looks for to crack an interview. That's another thing. Third thing, there are a lot of websites like we can just ask ChatGPT, or there are a lot of AI apps we can use to ask like what will be happening in this interview. Can you just help me to crack this interview? It will automatically give questions, answers, and what the solutions, codings, everything, everything. So this is the one more thing. So this Copilot we can, I mean like this apps you can use to crack an interview. Okay, so mean like it will help you to prepare for the interview. That's one more thing. After clearing an interview, they will discuss about the package, everything, and you can just have some conversations, everything. So for me, it was two round, one with technical round or one is HR round. That's a two round I attended, and I never bother about the package. Yeah, to be frank, because I'm a kind of a fresher, so I never bother about the package. Okay, the salary package. So I got it with the company. So it was a new experience for me as a Java developer. My client was with the RBC for some time, and now I am working with Intact. That's the thing. So like how did I survive in the company? That many people will say, because many people think like I don't have any experience of survive. To be frank, in this situation, like anyone can, in from any background, like even from mechanical, automobile, civil, email, chemical, anything, anyone can survive in the IT industry. Not in IT industry, like any company. Okay, there are a lot of technologies came into the world. Like everyone will be aware of it. So anyone can uh, get into a company. They can learn the stuff. They can use the lot of AI apps to learn something. They can use AIs to make it work. So there are a lot of things. Okay, stuff to do the work, because like when you don't have the chat gpt like 5 years before, we don't have any technologies like before. At that time, like we don't really don't have any idea to crack a code or something, or to type a code, because it takes a lot of time. But nowadays there are a lot of co-pilots. That was the only good thing, is like all the IT companies interlink the co-pilot with them project, so we can easily use that one. So anyone can sustain from any background, that's for sure. That's the thing. So this is how I am learning every day. Like I'm keeping upskilling myself, and meanwhile I'm just working for a company. Like it's a very nice for me. It my life is good. Like my work is good. My work culture is good. I like work from 9 to 5. Everything is nice. So if there are any doubts, or if there are any something you guys need about how to sustain in Canada, like any financials advices, how to apply for the work permit, like how to any doubts, you guys can feel free to comment in my channel. I will be posting a next video, like if there is more comment, if there are any something like the people want it, for sure I will just post a video. Thanks. Have a nice day.